Yeah, but there's no but. I'm just making a video. It's happened by friends or their students. Them. Say hi. That's tell your name. Jeremy. My name is Jeremy. And your last name? Senior. And your other name, the first your own? In my house? Angel. Angel. Because I'm making a YouTube. Because I'm being a YouTuber and a TikToker. That's good all. That's fine.